In this video, we will be covering 3 ways to edit the text within a file through the command line. The first way is probably the most tricky way that you can do it, and it would be using the command copy space con and then specifying whatever file you would like to edit. In this case, you notice I'm in the test1 directory, and if I look in the GUI, I have files, so I want to try to edit that file.txt file, and I can type this is some text, period. If I want to overwrite it, which I do, I would type yes. And again, this is some text and some more text. And if I were to use some common commands or some keys like Q to quit or close or exit, you notice none of that works. If you do a Control Z and then press enter, you notice that the file was copied in the console into the contents of file.txt. So to read that, I can double click on file and you notice that yes, this is some text did get typed in twice, as we typed it once, overwrote it, typed it twice. That's why it's showing up there. And we do not see anything with the Control Z. That is what actually finished this whole procedure. Now I'll just run the command CLS to clear that out. I'm going to create another file with an obsolete, outdated, no longer supported, don't worry about it other than this class program. And what that is it's the editor. So the way that you get into that is by edit, and I'm going to use file2.txt. And if I press enter, this is the way that they actually use to type in text within a file. So you notice some nice things about it. You have the line and the column. You can press F1 for help, but it actually gives you a graphical user interface that you can use your mouse and you can click on certain things. So if I want to do anything with this, I could just type in this is some text. This is outdated. Only supported by 32-bit OS. So this probably won't work for you at home if you're running a 64-bit operating system. Now, to exit this, which actually completes another course competency for you, just go ahead and click File. You can save this file. You could close the file, but notice I have not exited the editor. So what you do is you press File, Exit, and now I'm back to the command line. Now, realistically and in the industry, if you need a quick down and dirty program to do your text editing, I would just run notepad.exe and utilize Notepad. Notice we have the graphical user interface, we have some formatting options, so on and so forth. So again, editor is out, Notepad is in if you want the very, very basic text editor. And again, you can close that by just pressing the close button, or you could do file quit or file close, whatever it is. Alright, and that will conclude this lesson.